My name is Alex Cruz. Did you see the screenshot I posted? I felt deep pain and great anger. Someone took my work and lied. I felt betrayed. I wanted justice. I made an anonymous profile. I sent a message and I waited. The notification came fast. A screenshot moved fast and it became viral. I felt power. But I also felt a small fear. I wanted to expose the truth. I wanted followers to see the truth. I wanted to block his lies. I wanted other people to read the proof. I asked myself, is this right? I knew I would not stop. The night felt cold and full of plans. I smiled with a tight face. I felt like a hero. Yet a small voice warned me. The story starts online. It ends very different. My name is Alex Cruz. I was not proud. I had a reason. Months ago a colleague copied my post. He took my words and my image. He used my profile pictures. He did not say my name. I tried to speak to him. He ignored me. I felt small. I told a friend about the lie. The friend said, "Make them see." I felt anger grow. I made an anonymous account. I used a fake photo and an empty profile. I wrote clear posts. I added a screenshot of his message. I tagged some followers. The post got a few likes. Then a notification came. One follower shared it. The share made the post go viral. A comment said, "Expose him." People wanted to see truth. They wanted drama. I sent private messages to people. I told more stories. I felt strong. I watched the numbers. The follower count rose slowly. I felt joy like a warm light. I felt the world listen. I felt I gave them the truth. I wanted them to block him. I saw his profile. It had many followers. I wanted those followers to see the screenshot. I wanted them to know the lies. I sent more messages. A few people said, "Thank you, Alex." But I did not tell them my name. I stayed anonymous. I kept my plan. I thought I was fair. I thought I fought injustice. I did not see a danger. I did not see a turn. The next morning a new notification came. This one changed everything. I had a message from an anonymous account. It said, "We know you." I read the message and my hands shook. The anonymous message said my profile was not safe. I laughed at first. I thought it was a joke. I kept posting. I posted more screenshots. I wrote short captions. I wrote, "This is the truth." People replied with hearts and angry faces. The post got many shares. My follower numbers jumped fast. I felt proud. I watched the comments. Some called me brave. Some asked for more proof. I posted private chats. I posted his words. I wanted to expose his habit of lying. He lost some followers fast. People blocked him. He wrote back to me. I read his message. He said, "Why? You used my photo." I was sure I was right. I wrote a long message. I told people the full story. The notifications came non-stop. My phone did not stop. I felt like a king. I thought the world was fair now. But a new screenshot came out. Someone posted a screenshot of my own private messages. They showed my fake profile and the words I wrote to my friend. The screenshot said I planned the attack. People read it. Comments changed. The same followers who praised me now asked, "Is this true?" My replies felt weak. My hands felt cold. I tried to delete some posts. I tried to block the account that shared the screenshot. It was too late. The screenshot moved fast. I saw a new word in many comments. They said I was a catfish. I read the word and felt strange. I wanted to call someone. I wanted my followers to believe my truth. But many people already chose to believe the other side. A message said, "We will expose you." I had no plan. The feed filled with questions. My justice plan started to break. I felt betrayed again. The story turned on me. I had to act fast. I opened my laptop and I typed, "It is not what you think. My name is Alex Cruz." The day moved fast. The screenshot of my messages was all over. Some people called me a liar. Some called me a thief. My phone gave non-stop notification sounds. I felt dizzy. I read a message from one follower. It said, "I trusted you. Why did you lie?" I wanted to answer. My words felt small. I tried to show one small truth. I posted a new message that said, "I wanted justice." I wrote that I did not want to hurt anyone. The post had few likes. Many had already blocked me. My follower count fell. He who once lost followers now had new ones. He posted his side and used my screenshot. He wrote, "He attacked me first." People read. I lost trust. An anonymous account said they had more screenshots. They said they would hack my anonymous profile. They said they would expose every message. I remembered the night I made the plan. I remembered the cold apartment. I remembered the small warning voice. Now the voice spoke loud. I had made a catfish. I had used a fake profile. I had sent private messages that looked bad out of context. I wanted to fix it. I tried to contact a friend who had helped me. He did not answer. He blocked me. I felt the same pain I gave. I felt the weight of a full circle. I saw my own name in comments like a sentence. People said I was anonymous no more. I could not hide. I felt shame and fear. I wanted to tell the truth and ask for forgiveness. But many doors were closed. The world I built with anger felt empty. The viral power turned into a storm. I learned one simple thing while my world fell. The line between right and wrong online can break very fast. My name is Alex Cruz. I made a choice I thought was right. I wanted to fix an injustice. I used social media and a fake account. I wanted to expose a liar. But my plan became a trap. I was exposed too. I learned a hard lesson. Do not try to be judge and jury online. Do not make a catfish or fake profile. Do not share private messages. A screenshot can tell a half-truth. A viral post can hurt many people. If you feel wronged, speak clearly and calmly. Ask a friend to help. Show real proof when you can. Tell the truth and accept feedback. Apologize when you are wrong. My full circle moment taught me humility. The people I hurt may forgive, and I can learn. For English learners, watch for words, screenshot, anonymous, follower, block, viral, profile, notification, catfish, hack, expose. Use them in sentences. Be kind online. Learn English, but be kind first. The best justice is honest words and real proof.